Welcome back to the Discount Property Investor Podcast. Our mission is to share what we have learned from our experience and the experience of others to help you make more money investing like a pro. We want to teach you how to create wealth by investing in real estate the Discount Property Investor way. To jumpstart your real estate investing career, visit freewholesalecourse.com, the most complete free course on wholesaling real estate ever. Thanks for tuning in.
You asked, we answer. Today's question is
Getting more clients as an agent and as an investor.
Oh, that's a multiple tiered question here. Let's break it down simple. Let's start with getting more clients as an agent. Start there.
I think that is kind of the caveat or the whole point of this question is if you're an agent, how do you get more clients since you're an investor? Is that what you're reading it, or what do you?
I think it's different. And as an investor. So let's just start here. You have to identify clients for each, and they're different. Clients as an agent look like one of two things. They're either somebody that owns a property that needs help selling it, and the agent can get a listing, or they're an individual that has funds or the availability to them and is looking to acquire, and you can represent them on the buyer side. That's it. So my answer to getting more clients as an agent would simply be prospecting. That's it. Alongside with marketing to everybody you know that you do this. If they don't know you do it, how are you going to get them? So prospect and tell everybody you know. Now, an investor, their client isn't really either of those people necessarily. It's usually going to be motivated sellers on the front side. That's what the client looks like on the front side. Finding those people that just need to sell, right? They're willing to trade a discount to you for a super amount of convenience, which is like quick and close in 14 days, and I'll pay cash, and I'm going to do my inspections right now with you staying here with me, right? And that's it. I'm not even going to need to get back, or I'm going to need to put a lockbox, whatever, right? That's on the front side. On the back side, it's either going to be a retail buyer, which an agent's going to typically bring, or if you're an agent, you can go out and list it and find it, right? Or it could be an investor, if you're wholesaling, that's looking for that rehab, looking for that rental, and that's it. What did I miss?
So not much. So I think it's if you're looking for more clients, you need to do more marketing, more networking.
Again, do your neighbors know that you're an agent? If you're an agent watching this video right now, do they know? I doubt it.
And guess what? They might sell their house next year.
Yes.
This year.
Tell them. All your friends, all your family, everybody. You need to be posting on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, whatever weird thing you're into. Post on it every week. This is what I do. Go look at my personal Facebook 2-3 times a month. Hey, guys, I'm an investor in St. Louis. You got a house you need to sell? Hit me up. Everybody I know knows that I buy houses. So you need to do the exact same as the investor and or the agent. Prospect. Didn't mean to interrupt. Finish us out.
That's it, guys. That's how you get more clients.
That's it. Right. Love it. You asked, we answered.
Thanks for listening to the Discount Property Investor Podcast. If you enjoyed this episode, please like, share, and subscribe to help us reach a wider audience. To jumpstart your real estate investing career, please visit freewholesalecourse.com, the most complete free course on wholesaling real estate ever. We would also appreciate it if you left us a review on iTunes or Stitcher. Thank you in advance for your support, and remember, you make your money when you buy, and you get paid when you sell. Now let's go build some wealth.